How to search for bots in Telegram? Here's how you can find them, step by step. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Tap the search icon at the top of the screen. Now type the name of the bot you want to find. Telegram will show different results related to your search. Look for the result with the bot label, or the bot icon. Tap on the bot you want to use. This will open the bot's chat page. Check the bot's name, username, and description to make sure you've selected the correct one. You can then tap Start to begin using the bot. If you don't know the exact bot name, try searching with keywords related to what the bot does. For example, you can search for keywords like AI bot, download bot, or translation bot. That's it. That's how you can search for and find bots on Telegram using the built-in search option. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.